Okay, a brief version of a longer video. If we have this table, we can graph the 6 points that are given by the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're also given that the function is undefined when x equals 0. If the function is undefined when x equals 0, that means that we can't connect this point to this point. Because if we do, we have to go through the y-axis, and that's exactly where x equals 0. If we go through the y-axis at a point, then we've given the function a value at that point. So the y-axis occurs when x equals 0. We can't have a point on the y-axis. The function is undefined. If we can't have a point in the y-axis, we can't connect this point to this point. And we can't connect then this half of the graph to this half of the graph. So, if we want to draw a curve corresponding to our points on each side, that's fine. But we absolutely do not connect from one side to the other of a point where the function is undefined. And I'll even offer a little, this function here, it's not a basic function. This function turns out to be 1 over the square root of x multiplied by x over the absolute value of x. And I'm not going to explain that. I've just got it down there to show you there is a way of writing out the function, but it's a little bit complicated. So if you graph 1 over square root of x, it would be like this and like this. The x over absolute value of x is going to be negative if x is negative. It's going to be negative 1 if x is negative. Just make this negative, positive if x is positive. So anyhow, there it is.